Greetings from BÖDA Sand, the magical beach in Sweden on the island of Öland. This place is absolutely spectacular, and it is 25th of June, 2 p.m. exactly, and this is how the beach looks like at this time of the day. It's absolutely stunning indeed, and the sea as well looks absolutely amazing. It is day 7 actually of my vacation here. Let me just double check if it is day 7. Let me count the days. Yes, it is day 7, Tuesday, for sure. And the sand looks absolutely amazing indeed. So it looks so stunning, and it's definitely one of the best beaches in Sweden. It is very crowded towards the middle of the camping, BÖDA Sand, which is the most famous camping in Sweden. There is also a reality TV show for that. But as you go towards the end of the camping, it is quite empty, as you can see. The water here, we have today a bit of seaweed at the beginning, but after that it is super nice indeed. And yes, I've already shown you the BÖDA Sand, but not this part of the beach. So it's good for you to see and verify that this is one of the best beaches that we have in Sweden. And I'm so glad that I came to explore it. We have another super warm day, 21 degrees Celsius in the air. That's under shadow, because my thermometer says almost next to 40 under the sun. But there is a bit of a wind today also as well, which makes it a bit cooler as well. And in the sea, I have measured it is 19 degrees Celsius. So I am now in the Baltic Sea, ready for a swim, as I'm showing you also this beautiful beach, BÖDA Sand. It looks spectacular indeed. And yesterday I have actually been to the very end of the coast for no reason whatsoever, just because I'm an adventurous guy and I do beach adventures on YouTube. So you can actually run for around 5 kilometers along the beach under sand, barefoot obviously, and you will pass by Sand, both the public and the nudist beach, and then also Revet, beautiful sandy beach, and then the last sandy beach, Fagerrör. After that it is mostly rocky pebble beach, but you can walk also from the forest side. But there is nothing much more to see. So the last beautiful beach you can find is Fagerrör, and before that I have found one wild beach that there is already a video on my channel, so check that out. Okay, I have passed now the part with the seaweed, and here it looks amazing, the water, spectacular indeed. And as I mentioned, BÖDA Sand, one of the best beaches in Sweden, and I'm so happy that I'm exploring it right now on this 25th of June on my vacation, Sweden vacation. So let's then go in for a swim in this magical Baltic Sea paradise here in BÖDA Sand. Let's go! It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. I'm feeling like I'm in my natural habitat. I think I was maybe a dolphin in the previous life for sure, as I really enjoy being in the water and on the beach. Maybe a crab, because they are both on the beach and in the water. Some of those kind of animals. Anyway, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's then wrap up from BÖDA Sand for today, the first beach adventure for today. Let's see if I'm gonna do some more, I'm just gonna enjoy today because I did a lot of episodes yesterday. So today I'm taking a chill on the beach, enjoying it as much as I can. Thank you so much for following my beach adventures. Greetings from BÖDA SAND, Borgholm, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.